Sharpening creates a slight hollow in the stone. If you use it as is, the edge won't contact the stone evenly and you won't get a good cutting edge. Use a coarse flattening stone to fix this. Draw a grid on the stone with pencil and rub it evenly until the lines disappear. The center tends to hollow out, so focus more on the edges. Once the pencil lines have disappeared, the next step is to chamfer the edges of the whetstone. When sharpening a knife, it's easy to accidentally cut your fingers on sharp stone edges. Rub the corners a few times like this to round them off. After using the whetstone, be sure to let it dry thoroughly, ideally overnight, before putting it away. Here's how to clean discoloration on your knife. Put some water and cleanser on a wine cork and gently scrub in a circular motion to remove the stains.